Hello traders, and welcome to the educational video titled the piercing line, or if you prefer the piercing pattern, as it is also well known. Now, the piercing pattern consists of two Japanese candlesticks. It consists of a long black real body at the end of the decline, and then it's followed by a long white real body that opens below the previous candlestick and ideally below the low price of the previous candle. The most important specification of this pattern is that the long white body closes above the midpoint of the previous body. One more time, the long white body closes above the midpoint of the previous long black candlestick. And of course, these together with perhaps a support line and an oversold oscillator, if you prefer, it makes it a bullish reversal pattern. Now, let's identify the piercing line on a price chart, and I'm sure you guessed it very right. It looks like that, and of course, after the presence of a bullish piercing pattern, the rest is history, as you can see on our chart, right? Do you like it? All right, let's go and see a basic, simple trading strategy using the piercing pattern. At the end of the decline, near a support area, now we feel more confident, right? We have an additional tool. We identify the piercing pattern that closes well above the midpoint, in this case, of the previous candle. The long white body closes above the previous black body. Of course, we place our buy order right above the high price of the pattern, and also we place a protective stop loss just in case right below the low price of the pattern. And the take profit strategy is at the resistance area. We close everything, we close the whole trade when prices reach the resistance area. Do you like it? Okay, let's remind you that it's a good idea to subscribe right below and like and comment whenever you feel like it. Let's see a variation of this strategy. At the end of the decline, a piercing pattern. We place a buy order right above it and a stop loss right below it. The take profit strategy, we take part of our profit at the 200% level, right? Or any other ratio, percentage ratio that you prefer, that suits your trading profile. And we close the remaining when we identify any reversal pattern in the opposite direction. And this is the case here with the shooting star. So after the shooting star, we're forced to close the remaining of our trade. Good. Let's see another variation, another strategy. Here we are, the piercing line. We place a buy order right above it and a stop loss right below the low price of the pattern, just in case you don't know what is going to happen next, and we need to protect our capital because tomorrow it's another trading day and we need enough capital to trade the markets. Good. Now the take profit strategy is at the reversal in the opposite direction, here at the shooting star. Excellent. More strategies. Here we are, a beautiful downtrend. I'm sure you like this one. We can draw a downtrend channel connecting the highs and the lows. We will explain in every detail how to draw channels in another educational video, of course. But for now, identify the piercing pattern at the end of the decline, at the end of the downtrend, near the lower channel. And we place a buy order right above the pattern, a protective stop loss right below the low price of the pattern. And regarding the take profit strategy, we're going to calculate the height of the channel and extend it at the buy order, and that is going to be our first take profit level. We're going to close part of our profit level at the height, and then we're going to close another part of our profit at 2 times the height, and we're going to close the remaining of our trade anytime we encounter any reversal pattern in the opposite direction. And this is the case here with the shooting star. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, and I'm going to see you in a while. Don't forget to subscribe right below. See you in a while.